Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to use single AI message action in Pabbly Chatflow flow builder. So welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can use the single message node inside Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is a powerful chatbot builder that allows us to automate our customers' conversation using custom logic and smart AI responses. You can build flows, handle queries, and provide support and even guide users through specific processes, all within a visually designed drag and drop flow. So firstly, we have to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow. For on a new tab, browse it www.pabbly.com/chatflow. After browsing, you're going to log into your Pabbly Chatflow account and Pabbly Chatflow dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now, in order to create a new flow in our Pabbly Chatflow account, from the left side of the panel, go to Flow and Flows section right over here. After coming to the Flows section, we have to click on this Add Flow button on the top right corner. A new flow is then going to be created. We have to first rename the flow. So let's suppose for the flow over here, I'm going to name it as New Flow as the flow, okay? After renaming the flow, it says Flow Start. What is flow start? Using flow start, this bot that we are creating, the chatbot, is going to be triggered. There are three ways: keywords, regex, and choose template. So let's suppose you have added few keywords right over here, the commonly used words from your customers as an initial message. As soon as you enter the keyword right over here and your customer sends those keywords as a message, this bot that you're creating is going to be triggered from here using keywords. Next is choose template. Over here you have selected a template that you have created, and towards that template any customer sends a message, this flow is going to be triggered. Next is regex. Regex is short for regular expression. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match, or filter specific text. For the regex, I have a special character, that is. So you can see right over here, this is the special character regex using which this flow start, this bot that we are creating, is going to be triggered, okay? If you want to use the same regex in your flow as well, you can find it in the description box below. So I have already created a flow which I'm going to show you right now before getting into this video. For that, I'm going to open the flow that I've created first. So this is the flow that I've created beforehand right here. After the flow start, I have added this ask question field from this actions right here, in which I've added, hi there, welcome to Client Nest CRM. Are you looking to get started or need help with something specific? So I'm asking a question over here from my client, from the person of send me a message, okay? I'm an owner of a CRM application business, you can see right here. And this bot that I'm creating is firstly going to ask a question from my client whether they need any help with a specific thing. Okay, I've selected the contact custom field in the name of question and selected the format as any, okay? As this question is going to be forwarded, I want an AI to answer towards this question, okay? For that, on this action step, you can see this node in the name of single AI message. I'm going to drag it and drop it over here in this flow. So this is the single AI message node you can see right over here under our actions in Pabbly Chatflow that we can use in our flow that we are creating, okay? The single AI message node is used when you want your chatbot to send one-time AI-generated response to the user during the chat. This message can be either based on what the user says or it can be based on the predefined input that we have manually set up. Let's break it down step by step, okay? Firstly, what you have to do is you have to connect your question. This is my question, as I want this AI to answer this question only. So I'm going to connect this question to this single AI message by connecting these two dots, and this node is connected, okay? Now, firstly, it is asking for me to select the AI assistant. I have created an AI assistant in my Pabbly Chatflow account already. You can see right here in the name of Smart AI Assistant. And this AI assistant will answer all the questions that my customers have, okay? You can see right over here, I've already set up the entire AI assistant right here. And in this, I've also added a knowledge base using which this AI assistant is going to answer the questions that my customer is going to ask, okay? I'm going to show you the knowledge base that I have created. So this is my detailed knowledge base for my business. You can see right over here, in which I've mentioned each and everything about my business right here. And using this detailed knowledge base, my AI agent is going to answer to all the questions that my customer is going to ask. Okay. So this is the knowledge base that I've uploaded over here while I created this AI assistant. If you want to learn the entire process and steps that how you can create your AI assistant in your Pabbly Chatflow account as well, for that you can find the video in the description box below. Okay, so I have created the AI assistant and I'm going to select that AI assistant over here in the select AI assistant step. Okay, after selecting the AI assistant, it says assistant input. Select how the assistant should respond. Over here we have two options: use client message and personalized input. So what is use client message? In this case, the AI assistant will analyze the user's last message and respond accordingly. Okay. So towards this question, a customer is going to ask a question towards this bot, and towards the question, this AI assistant is going to generate the response. That is what use client message is. And second is personalized input. This option gives us a full control. Instead of letting the AI respond to what users said, you can give the assistant specific instructions or custom message to reply with. Okay, so we are going to learn about both of this assistant input, both of the assistant input one by one. Okay, so we are going to learn about both of this assistant input one by one. Firstly, I'm going to select this use client message. Okay, I've selected the assistant input as use client message. Now this AI is going to generate the answer and the answer is going to be stored. Okay, we are going to store the answer in a contact custom field. To store the value, you can see right over here. In order to create your own contact custom field, go to settings, under which you will find the contact custom field right over here, and create your own field. I have already created a contact custom field in the name of response. So I'm going to select this field and the answer of this AI is going to be stored in this field right here. So now as we have the response generated by our AI, how can we send that response towards our customer? For that, I'm going to simply drag this point, drop it in this field. I'm going to select the message type, the content type over here as text plus button. And in the message, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the response from this contact custom field to the message. And how we can do that? Simply add a $sign. And after the $sign, add the name of your contact custom field. That is response. So I'm going to write over here as response as it is. So I've added the response. You can see right over here, $response. Now where from this contact custom field, the data is going to be fetched and added in this message right here. And this AI generated response is going to be forwarded towards my customer as a message. Okay. So I'm going to save this flow that I've created right over here. This is just a small flow that I've created right here. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is towards this bot that I've created, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message. So this is the bot that I've created, and towards this bot, I'm going to send a message. So let's suppose for the message, I'm going to write over here as, hello, can you please help me? I'm going to send this message towards this bot. And you can see right over here, this bot has replied, hi there, welcome to Client Nest CRM. This is the name of my business. Are you looking to get started and need help with something specific? So I want to ask a question. The question is going to be, I want to know about your business. Can you please describe it? I'm going to send this question towards this bot. And as I've added an AI assistant, so an AI assistant is now going to reply to this question. And this is the response. Sure, we offer Client Nest CRM, next generation customer relationship management platform designed to help business build stronger customer relations. Our CRM provides tools to lead capture, pipeline tracking. You can see right over here, this is the message that has been created by the AI agent, the single AI agent that we have added over here in this flow. And this response has been forwarded right over here, and this is the response. Okay, so this is how this first assistant input works over here. Okay, now after learning how this assistant input works, now we are going to see into the another flow that we have created, and I'm going to open that flow right here. This is the second flow that I've created, and now in this flow we're going to test our another assistant input. Okay, Now what is different over here? Firstly, I've collected the data of my customer's name by sending hi there, welcome to Client SCRM. We are glad to have you with us. Before we get started, could you please tell your full name? Okay, first question of the full name is asked after the flow start. As they're going to answer the question, the name is going to be saved over here in this contact custom field. That I've added this message, let us know how can we assist you today. And after this message, I've added a button of about client Nest CRM. Okay. Using the button, a customer can know about my platform in brief. Okay. Now I want an AI assistant to answer this question. For that, I'm going to go to actions. I'm going to select the single AI message node right over here and drop it over here. And then I'm going to connect this button towards this node. I'm going to select the AI assistant that I've created over here in the name of Smart AI Assistant, as this AI assistant is going to answer the question. Assistant input, now we're going to select it as personalized input. Okay. And right over here, we have to write a prompt. Over here, this prompt is going to help our AI to answer according to whatever we want. Okay. Before, what was happening over here in this node, this AI assistant was generating the response by itself without knowing any rules to follow. But right over here, we can write a personalized input. Using that only, this assistant is going to answer towards this button right here. Okay. So I'm going to write over here the personalized input as. So this is the input that I have. Use the customer's name with $full name. As over here in this flow, I've collected the data of my customer's name. It is stored in this contact custom field. I can add this name in this message right over here by simply giving an input of $full name. Okay. If you have collected more details from your customer and you want all the details should be used in this message, you can add that in this personalized input right here. This is what is special about this personalized input assistant right here, because you cannot do that in this use client message right here. Okay. It says then explain the main features of our platform client as CRM. Keep the tone friendly, clear and professional. Make sure it's easy for customer to understand. Okay. I've entered this simple input right here. You can even write more details according to your requirement. I want the response to be stored over here in this contact custom field in the name of response. And now we have to send this response towards our customer. For that, simply I'm going to drag this point from this node and drop it in this field. Message type is going to be text plus button. And now this message over here is going to be simply response. I'm going to write over here as response. Okay. So now this is the simple entire flow that I've created. I'm going to save this flow. After saving this flow right over here, we're going to test this flow. For that, towards this bot, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message. So let's suppose for the WhatsApp message, I'm going to write over here as, hey, I need help. I'm going to send this message towards this bot. And firstly, this bot is asking for my name. So for the name over here, I'm going to write it as test user right here. After that, it says, let us know how we can help you today. I've added one button. I'm going to click on this button right here. And as I've done that, you can see we've received a message. Hello, test user. You can see this AI assistant has used the name of our customer. This was the name you can see right over here has been used in this message. I'm excited to share you the main features of Clientness CRM with you. Our platform is designed to help businesses like yours build stronger and customer relationships. You can see right over here, this is the entire personalized message that has been written right over here by our AI assistant and has been forwarded towards our customer. Okay. So this is how this amazing personalized input works right here. You can add even more buttons and you can add this assistant right over here that is going to answer towards all the questions of our customer. Write the personalized input right here. So this is how this node, that is single AI message, works in our Pabbly Chatflow account flow builder. With the help of this amazing node, you can create amazing chatbots for your business that is going to reply to all your customers' inquiries without wasting any time. Yes. So now to summarize the point, we use client message when we want the AI to respond what user says. We use personalized input when we want to control the response and personalize it by using dynamic fields. And we use contact custom field to store the AI response and pass it along the conversation. This is how the single AI message works in Pabbly Chatflow. It's simple, efficient, and gives you the power of AI directly inside your chatbot. So this was it all about single AI message node in Pabbly Chatflow in our flow builder. So go ahead, create amazing flows in your Pabbly Chatflow account and make your WhatsApp conversation in your business more efficient with Pabbly Chatflow. Go ahead, sign up in our Pabbly Chatflow and get started. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.